Hey everybody, want to tell you a little bit about this 2017 Chevy Silverado. Under 20,000 miles certified. This vehicle was bought here, serviced here, traded back in. 5.3 liter V8, towing, remote start, everything you want in the truck. This thing's ready to set up and tow. Double cab Silverado. It is certified, so like I said, 48,000 miles bumper to bumper, 100,000 miles on the powertrain. Let's hop to the back. Here we are at the back of the 17 Silverado. Like I mentioned up front, it's already set up for towing. You have your 7 and your 4-prong plug. In the back, you have the easy drop tailgate. This one has the tri-fold cover. One of the things I like is the easy step bumper. Get right up into your truck, guys. The previous owner did put a bed liner in this, so it is ready to go, ready to throw everything you want in the back. We're gonna hop inside, show you a little bit in there. Here we are in the back of the double cab, guys. Now this is a 60-40 split folding seat. Very easy, fold it up, a lot of room for whatever you want. Your dogs, your guns, your tools, whatever you want to put back here right on the floor. Go ahead, hop up front real quick. Now since this is the all-star package, you get the dual climate control, the remote start, the power driver's seat. Everything that you need in a truck is right here, not to mention the heated cloth seats. Storage, lockable storage here. It is a 6-passenger vehicle. If you don't need all 6, you got a nice armrest here. Give us a call, 724-349-3000, Delaney Chevrolet, 626 Water Street. This one won't be here long, guys. We'll see you later.